The Oral-B IO series uses on-handle display symbols to guide you toward better brushing habits. These icons aren't just decorative, they actively communicate brush head type, replacement timing, pressure control, battery level, and connectivity status. Understanding them helps you get the full benefit of the IO's smart features. Brush head icons identify the type you're using. A circular radiating symbol typically represents a deep, clean head. A softer, feather style icon indicates a gentle care head for sensitive gums. Whitening heads may show a sparkle or diamond style symbol, while precision or targeted clean heads use a pointed tip style icon. Replacement indicators change over time. A green symbol means your brush head is still in good condition. Yellow suggests it's nearing the end of its lifespan. A red warning icon means it's time to replace it, usually after about 3 months. Pressure feedback symbols are especially important. A green indicator confirms you're brushing with the right pressure. Red warns you're pressing too hard, which can harm enamel and gums. Some models also show a blue cue if slightly more pressure is needed. These visual signals work together to protect your gums, improve cleaning performance, and maintain consistent oral hygiene.